There's always something new happening at Founders Taproom, and this year is no different. We've got a few lined up for you with Chef Pete. He's the guy who's cooking all the food for you at Founders. Three things that I saw. One I was expecting, and that was Oktoberfest, right?
That's right.
July 30th.
Absolutely. July 30th. It's coming fast, too.
Mm-hmm. And you've got something called the Ultimate Oktoberfest release. Only one keg of this?
Only one keg. It's a barrel aged, so it's a lighter bodied ale. Okay. So it really picks up the flavors of the bourbon barrel. So if you want to know what a bourbon barrel does to a beer, this is the one to try.
That's the one to try. And the new things we were referring to, an iced latte with KBS. Who dreamt that up?
With our I don't know, but a mad scientist here in the house came up with that one. But we're pretty excited about that one. I'm looking forward to it because I love iced lattes.
Oh, my
throw
goodness.
some KBS in there, I'm in.
Okay, and then finally, the big one that people are probably going to be talking about this summer, you're bringing slushies.
We are bringing slushies in. So we have our Devil Spiked brand with different flavors. So we paired it with one with blackberry, and then one with pink lemonade. So you get a little bit of flavor. I think we did the ginger with the pink lemonade, so that should be a little kick. And then
ginger.
We have the fruit one, so we put with the blackberry fusion. So
all right, so if you like those fruity drinks, those blended drinks, you've got it. And the merch that you guys have too, those silicone cups that you can put that in, that's going to be a summer hit. I can tell you that already. Let's talk a little bit about the tap room. Just went through a renovation recently.
We did, just about a year ago. So it's been fantastic. We were able to kind of make the main area with the stage more of like bar with high tops. The Brassworks has low tops and booths now, so it's a little more private. So if a band comes on, you don't really want that vibe, you can go to the Brassworks bar and kind of be a little more intimate.
And that Brassworks bar has a history.
It does have a history. That's the original bar that they moved from the original place over to here. So
amazing. I don't know if everyone knows that, but yeah, that Brassworks bar sitting in the corner of Founders, that's the original bar. So the tap room's been renovated. You've got these great new offerings. What is it besides that brings people to Founders? I mean, we are Beer City, USA, and Founders is a huge part of that.
Right, and our garden area is beautiful. I mean, it's open. I think the people that come here, the staff, everybody's so very friendly. I think it's inviting. It's fun. It's laid back. So it's a great place to have a beer and some good food.
Absolutely, and the beers that you're trying in the tap room, sometimes you can't get anywhere else.
That's absolutely right. You won't see them in any store, so only here on the taps.
All right, so if you are a true beer aficionado, the tap room is the place to be because, well, you might be drinking something that nobody else can even buy, right?
That is true. That is true.
So if you're looking for a good time, if you want great food, if you want fantastic beer, and if you're looking for great company and a staff with a smile, you're looking at Founders in downtown Grand Rapids, and I'm sure you've got yourself a great website people can go to and get all this information to as well.
All the information on there for them, so check us out, and check us out for Oktoberfest. We'll see you there, or any other day. I'll be here.
Come say hi to Chef Pete. You don't want to miss it. It's all happening in downtown Grand Rapids with Founders Brewing.